Oo, pero Eric, parang itong administrasyon na ito, parang yung basics ng governance, hindi nila alam. Parang nagganyan-ganyanan na yung executive, yung judiciary, they're not even conscious about it. And I'm wondering, maybe they have no idea that it's how it's supposed to be. Dapat may separation of powers para yung balance of power maayos, para yung demokrasya nababantayan. Pero parang it doesn't seem like even this Chief Justice has any idea. I mean, for me, Lucas Bersamin is one of the worst executive secretaries, no, that we've
Yeah.
ever seen. No, mighty forces are behind Bongbong Marcos to make him look good, and yet minus 29, which means that the Filipino people don't feel that any good thing that has happened in their lives because of Bongbong Marcos. Why? Why? Because he's fully incapable. Hindi niya kaya. And the people who should know this are the very ones who are propping him up because they benefit from it. I'm talking about Lucas
Yes.
Pascas, no? This tragic figure, unprincipled, former Chief Justice, na when you look at him now, oh my gosh, no, talagang a tragic figure talaga, na you're going to leave this earth at ganyan ang ginawa mo sa Pilipino. Na marami sila. No, age is really not a function of wisdom nor maturity. And
Correct.
Lucas Bersamin is a very good example of that. He is totally bereft of principle.